Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about TENS modality. Here we switch on the TENS modality. We have the electrodes. There is an end of electrodes and we have a pads of electrodes. And we have the two channels in TENS modality. Here we can connect the electrodes in the TENS. And here we can use the aquasonic gel to place over the electrode pads and spread it all around. And placed on the trigger point, or as we can say, the point with higher intensity of pain. Fixed electrodes with the help of a band. Now we can set the parameters and the techniques in the TENS. We have the 5 techniques in the TENS modality, which is conventional or high frequency TENS, acupuncture or low frequency TENS, brief intense TENS, burst mode TENS, and modulated TENS. And now come on the parameters. We have the 4 parameters: waveform, frequency, pulse width, and the amplitude. We have to set the appropriate technique with the appropriate parameters. Constantly ask to the patient that his intensity is variable or not. A tingling sensation felt by the patient. After complete the time duration which we were set on the modality, we have to stop the modality and unwrap the band and clean the electrode and patient's hand gently. Thank you.